Namaste friends. We market watchers. Sometimes we skim through a lot of information. Something very amusing came to my attention today. I thought I must share it with you. आप तो जानते ही होंगे, we've heard a lot of talks, number of economists, World Bank, IMF, so many people who have cautioned कि a developing nation must watch its deficit. Deficit word, जो बड़े economic pundits हैं, they've always told us it's a holy thing. It's almost like you can't breach it. They say that a poor nation or a developing nation cannot spend beyond its means. ये तो theory है, कई सालों तक चला. But the surprising fact is, same India है. 2013 में जब markets में एक phenomena हुआ था called taper tantrum. Lot of money got attracted back to the United States क्योंकि US American interest rates बढ़ रहे थे. तो उस taper tantrum के काल में lot of money flowed out of India. Indian rupee 3 महीने में 15% टैंक हुआ. हालांकि तब गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का यूनियन फिस्कल डेफिसिट केवल 3% कुछ था. Now when we look at it contrasted with today, India's union government has run a deficit in excess of 6% of GDP each year for the last 2 years. Double deficit से ये सरकार चल रही है. इस सरकार ने खुले आम यूनियन बजट प्रेजेंट करते टाइम फरवरी 2023 में 10 लाख करोड़ गवर्नमेंट कैपिटल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में डालने का वादा किया है. मोदी जी ने इकोनॉमी, जिसे इकोनॉमिस्ट कहते हैं पंप प्राइमिंग के वास्ते 10 लाख करोड़ का एलोकेशन किया. He spent that money that drove the economic growth against all economic principles. Now nobody says a developing nation cannot run a deficit of 6.4% of GDP. So it's not the figure, my friends, it's the perception. Let me take you back to a parallel in economic history. We are all aware that in the 1920s, the Western world, including the United States, was in the grip of the Great Depression. There were no jobs, there were food queues for dole, nobody was returning loans to the banks. The economy was in disarray. Then how did America come out of this Great Depression? It was by virtue of FDR's New Deal. When the economy was weak, that's when the US government built out all the big assets. The freeways that we see on which America drives. The skyscrapers in the big cities. All those came about with government support. In the same way, post-pandemic, when the Indian consumer was weak, when industry was hesitant to spend and invest, that is where Modi ji took the grip of the economy. He carved out a massive budget and he spent it from the books of the government without bothering too much about the fiscal deficit. That is where he won the battle of perception. He spent it out, the economy started chugging along again, and then today we see the happy benefits of that. He was able to build the national assets by using the government balance sheet. We didn't mind the fiscal deficit, and today the market is giving him a double thumbs up. We should all be thankful for Modi ji for winning the battle of perception, and we won it. Our currency is rock solid, our markets are on the rise, and we are riding the momentum. Thank you, Modi ji.